Hello, and welcome to BIM342 Revit Structure. We will start this course by downloading our structural model from BIM341. As you can see here from our previous model to this one, we have some minor modifications. We will be picking those up from our newly downloaded architectural model. As you can see, there's some work that has been done at the roof and at the basement. What we will do is relink our models. We'll bring the new architectural model into our structural model and make these modifications. After we finish these modifications, we will also be downloading the title block because we will be creating a final production set, which include general note sheet, plan sheets, and detail sheets. Also, we will be creating some new details. After we finish this, we will roll it into a final production set. Let's get started.